Hello, my name is Brent McCall, and I'm a part of the product development and retail support team at Metro Home Theater Group. Today we're going to discuss the new Helios HDMI fiber cables. Now this is a great product for the retail show floor. A couple of reasons. First off, it's fiber. So you get a much higher bandwidth, much more reliable connection than you do with a traditional copper interconnect. Secondly, it's a whole lot smaller diameter cable. This makes it more flexible and easier to put into tight installations, and let's be honest, it's just a little bit more sexy than a fat piece of copper. Next, as we go forward into the next iteration of HDMI, you're going to need 4 high-speed channels to properly support what your source and TV can do. The new Helios fiber is specifically designed to take you there. That means your red, your green, your blue are being surpassed by now 4 high-speed channels, each with 6 gigabits. The Helios fiber supports every bit of that, so it moves you forward. This is a huge benefit and advantage to your consumer to know that what they buy today will take them into the future. The Helios fiber also comes with a beautiful package, displays very well on the retail show floor, and will help you make some extra money. We highly encourage you to sell the Helios fiber systems. Makes your customer a better system, makes you a little bit more money, and everybody's happy.